Alright, Abby, this one is for you. Today I'm making chicken marsala. Normally we use just like regular flour, but you know, I have started using gluten-free, and I put say about like 1/4 of a cup, and you can add more if you need for this much chicken. Okay, then I put some salt and pepper, and then I mixed it. I prepped the chicken breast by, you know, I took a chicken breast, I cut it in half, like I sliced it, and then I pounded it. Dredge this in the flour, and you get your chicken pieces ready. And then so the next thing you need is mushrooms. So all we don't wash mushrooms because, you know, they retain a lot of moisture, and then your dish is not going to be too good. And if you do wash them, then you have to dry them, right? So what you do normally, you take it, you break the stem like so, and wipe it with the clean kitchen cloth. And all you have to do is just like slice the mushrooms. So I'm using probably like 5 or 6 of them. The thing that you would need is shallots, and because it has a mild onion flavor, and thyme. So this is a shallot, Abby. This is what you will be using instead of an onion, okay? So this is an American Italian dish. We are going to use olive oil and butter to heat it through. Now let's start. We'll just cook them like probably a minute or 2 per side, because it will cook in the sauce again. You see these brown bits? Oh, that will make the sauce so tasty. We'll cook it for about 2 minutes per side, and you can add more oil if needed. If you see that it's drying up, you can just, you know, add a little bit more oil or butter. Crumbs will make the bits there in the bottom of the pan will make very good sauce. So it's hot. We are going to put in the mushrooms, shallots. See how thinly I've sliced them? Garlic, add in thyme. More grease, add in the olive oil. So we will cook this a little more before we add in the Marsala wine to pick up all these brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Alright, so now we add the Marsala wine, Abby. Now we'll put about 3/4 cup. So let's see. And we want to cook this so that the alcohol content evaporates. And then you just want to take in all scrape the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Yeah, I think this is more than enough for the Marsala wine, because you just want to taste the sweetness of the wine. And once this cooks down and the alcohol evaporates, then we will add chicken stock. Heating. Salt and taste it. I want to use whole chicken stock. I would add just about like, I don't know, maybe 4 tablespoons, so that it takes in all the flavor that we just created in the pan. There you go. You can serve it once it cooks a little bit more. You can serve it with some sprinkling of parsley. Serve.